أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Wazifa for Khairo Barkat ke liye. Make intentions for this wazifa, then recite this dua. The powerful Ayatul Karima. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. This ayat must be recited 125,000 times. Recite this dua whenever you can, wherever you can, either on your own or with a group in no particular time span. It can be recited over weeks or months. Make dua over tabarruk after recitation for acceptance. Share tabarruk between family, friends, and neighbors.